and welcome back. Today we are going to be doing another try on. Since the last one I did, I totally forgot how much I loved to do try on unboxings for my subscription boxes. I mean, they're just so much fun when you get some good makeup products where you can kind of build a full face around. I mean, it's fun to do it. So we're doing that again today with the Boxycharm Premium Box. You can probably tell I did take a little sneak peek in there already, so that way I kind of knew what base to start with. But I am totally ready to dive into this box with you guys and build a full face with it. Well, almost. Now, this is the premium box, so it is the $35 variation. Last time we did the $25 variation. The difference with the premium is that this one is supposed to have 6 to 7 full-size items, and the value is supposed to be $175 and up. So here's a little sneak peek at my box, and let's dive into it. So it's got the same theme as the other box. It is sunshine. And for me in my box this month, I did get the 6 items. So let's begin with the first. This is the Lord & Jones High CBD Formula Body Lotion. Retailing for 40 bucks. What? I have not taken a look at the prices yet. I just peeked in to see kind of, you know, what I was gonna be working with. Didn't look at anything else, so that's a shock to me. Wow, it looks like such a small tube too. For this tiny thing, how much do you get? 50 ml in there. Let's take a sniff. You know what? I'm just gonna rub it all over my arms. It's a try on. I can try the lotion on. Has a good scent to it. Feels nice on. So yeah, that was item number 1 here. Let's move on to item number 2, which I will show you guys this one. So I ended up getting the Milk and Honey Cuticle Revitalizing Oil. This one's just a hydrating complex of lightweight oils, antioxidant benefits, vitamin E, that's supposed to absorb completely to nourish cuticles and the skin. Ooh, okay, so it's not supposed to leave it like super oily, maybe? I don't know, let's try it out. I needed a cuticle oil right now. Gonna take a drop. Cuticles are feeling nice and hydrated. I definitely need that right now. My cuticles are not looking cute. I need a manicure. I need a manicure bad. Smell good all the way around. All right, but those were the 2 kind of like non-makeup items. The rest are makeup in the box. And I'm gonna kind of dig around here and pick out the one I wanna go with next. And that is the Morphe X Mani MUA Glam Palette. I'm pretty sure this was a recent launch, wasn't it? Like not that long ago, a couple months maybe? Ooh, it's got a really pretty looking color scheme in there. I feel like I gotta start out with some swatches, so let's do that first. And while I'm swatching this, I just gotta share this cute little story. My mom's also really into makeup and she watches a lot of makeup YouTubers, and she used to always call Mani MUA Mani Mua. I think of it every time I see his name. I'm like, Mani Mua. She's so cute. Here is what we are gonna be working with. There's 12 eyeshadows, 2 highlighters. I swatched the highlighters on the end down here. And of the eyeshadows, there's 8 mattes, and then there is gonna be 4 shimmery / metallic shades. All right, but let's think here. What do I wanna do today? What colors? I don't know yet. I'm gonna wait for inspiration to strike me as I'm putting on the makeup. But we'll start over here with Sophie. And I'm gonna use my Luxie 121 Mini Tapered and just work this all the way through the crease. You know what, same brush, I'm just gonna run a little bit of that on the lower lash line, all the way through. And now that I got that worked in, I'm gonna go ahead and take this kind of like, what would you call that? Like a purpley shade? Maroon? Yeah, let's go with a maroon shade. Really tap that one off. This one's kind of scary. I'm not gonna lie. I'm debating if I should put a little powder down. You know what? I think I'm gonna do it. Since I don't know what to expect, just gonna prepare. That way I don't ruin this makeup. Better to prep for the worst and get the best results than to be like, ah, dang it, I wish I would have put powder down. All right, now I'm ready. Let's take this on my Y15 brush and start packing it in this outer V. And this brush is super fluffy, so I'm not gonna drag this into my crease since I have super small eyes. I'm just really gonna pack this color out here. And then I'm gonna trade for, I think I'll go with this one. I really need to do a brush washing day, but this is my teeny tiny Sigma, what does that say? E36. The numbers have been rubbed away. I've used it that much. This is a super teeny tiny little blending brush that's just gonna help me blend out these edges here so it doesn't go everywhere. I'm actually gonna take some of that purpley shade and just follow along that crease really gently. And then once I've got that kind of worked in where I want it, I think I'm gonna take my previous brush, previous shade, and just run that along the edges to help work them together. And now same process, other eye. And now let's switch brushes. We're gonna use the same shade, but now I'm taking the E55, just running that along the lower lash line, bringing it in like 2/3 of the way. I always tell myself before I get started with a look, I'm like, you know what, I'm gonna keep it very simple, minimal effort, very wearable, and then, you know, the bright colors just speak to me. And I know it's pretty dark already, but I think I wanna just, you know, add a little extra. I'm gonna take this dark brown shade down at the bottom here. And I'm gonna use my Y19 by Morphe and just try to nestle this in the outer crease. Really not trying to take this all over like I did the purpley shade or the maroony shade. Just want a little bit more depth on the edge here. Oh yeah. I'm connecting just a little bit of it on the lower lash line. Before I whisk it away, I'm gonna do a all over the lid shade, and I actually think I wanna cut the crease today. I haven't done that in a while. Let's take my handy dandy concealer brush, some concealer. I'm gonna use the e.l.f. 16 Hour Camo Concealer. Just put a bit to the back of my hand, and let's cut this out. Now we are ready to go with the all over the lid shade, and I think I'm gonna go with the gold one over here. I feel like this look is just screaming for it. I'll give it a bit of a spritz and plop it on. Oh, that's pretty. I kind of want to take a little bit of Nova over here, the highlighter shade, and plop a little bit of that on the lid as well. But this one, I'm not gonna go all over the lid. I'm just gonna keep it kind of towards the inner 1/3, if that makes sense. Kind of towards the inner corner there. And switching to a little bit more of a detailed brush, I'm gonna use that same highlighter shade on my mini round and use that as the inner corner highlight. Oh man, I'm loving the way this turned out. Not at all what I was planning to do, but. And final touches here, just to merge everything together, I'm just gonna take the, what was this one? Y15 brush, run along the edges here to merge it all together. It's definitely a good thing I put that bake down because I did get some fallout here towards the end. So let's whisk that away. And you know what? I feel like this look needs some liner. So this didn't come in the box, but I'm gonna take some liquid liner here and draw out a wing. Oh yeah, bold, dramatic, I love it. And again, not in the box was mascara and lashes, so I'm gonna super fast pop that on, be right back. Okay, lashes, mascara, they are on. Let's keep it going. We still have 3 more items in the box. So let's take this one next. This is the, oh man, is it Kenya Ontiveros Beauty? Oh man. I'm gonna need to look that one up later. This is the Blush and Shine kit. So it looks like we got 3 blushes, 3 highlighters, and I don't know about you guys, but this combination actually looks like it's gonna be able to work for light, medium, and deep skin tones. That's really exciting. I swatched the 3 highlighters first and then the 3 blushes. I mean, with this eye look, I automatically think like XOXO, but I am very timid when it comes to my blushes. I go very safe. Let's start off with a little bit of this pink shade. I'm gonna use a very light hand here because I also don't know how pigmented this is gonna be. Gorgeous. And just because I love the color of this one, the XOXO, matches my eye look, I'm just gonna take the lightest touch of it and pop a little of that on. Wow, I went in on the blush today. I said, let's go for it. Oh, and I almost totally forgot, there's highlighters in here too. So I'm gonna go with the lights shade and pop a little bit of that on. A highlight moment. And pop a little bit on the nose, with a little exclamation mark. Okay, this was beautiful. I really enjoyed that blush and highlighter. Totally on board for that. And then we got another item. This time we got the Folly Fire Matte Manipulation Trio. It is a set of 3 lipsticks, I'm pretty sure. Let's take them out and take a look. Oh yeah, lipsticks. So we got the 3 shades. We got Full House. We got Sunset Boulevard. And lastly, we got Here to Slay. So these are the 3 shades we got in this trio. Kind of torn between the vampy and the more pinky shade. I think the red is gonna be a little bit too much with this eye look. But I mean, there's really only one way to find out. I'm gonna swatch all 3 for you. And then we'll decide from there. So let's wipe away what I got on and try them on. It's starting off with the Here to Slay. Pretty red, does not go with this look. So let's try the next one. All right, so next up, the vampy shade Full House. Pretty, but next one. So this next one is Sunset Boulevard. Okay, I think this one is it. I think Sunset Boulevard is the winner for this eye look. I think it's complementing the eye look a little bit more. The other ones were a little bit too bold. And then we just got one more item left in the box. So lastly, we got the Ciate London Everyday Vacay Coconut Setting Spray. We're getting more of their Vacay line. So we got their powder before in another box. Now we're getting their setting spray. Let's do it. Let's set this makeup together. I feel like I just melted all together. And you can really smell the coconut in that one. I really like that. But that was it, you guys. That was our final item for our Boxycharm Premium. We have now tried them all on. And before I forget, let me give you guys the value of the full box. And my box this month had a value of $181.99. So we are over the $175 value that they claim they have. And honestly, this was actually a really fun box. I feel like this is one of the first boxes in a while where I really wanted to do a full face with something and actually have it turn out successful. So overall, I was definitely very happy with my July Premium box. And I really hope that you guys enjoyed me doing a try on of this one. I definitely had a lot of fun doing it. Let me know down below in the comments though, if you guys get the Premium box, did you guys get a good variation? I saw that there was a lot of variations floating around this month. So I'm definitely super curious what you guys got. But this is where I'm gonna be wrapping up today's video. I really hope that you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to my channel, and hit the little bell button, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys!